Scientisits discover white hydrogen deposits that can fuel Earth for 1,70,000 years in a breakthrough that could dramatically shift the global energy landscape. Scientists have uncovered a colossal natural reserve of hydrogen buried deep within the Earth's crust, a discovery that could potentially power the world for the next 1,70,000 years without emitting a single molecule of carbon dioxide. The find, hailed as a game-changer in the quest for clean energy, comes from an international research collaboration involving experts from the University of Oxford, Durham University, and the University of Toronto. Their investigation has unearthed vast deposits of natural hydrogen, also known as white hydrogen, concealed beneath the planet's continental crust, far below the surface we tread on. Unlike conventional hydrogen, which is typically derived from coal or natural gas through energy-intensive processes that themselves emit greenhouse gases, white hydrogen occurs naturally and is extracted without releasing pollutants. When burned, hydrogen produces only water as a byproduct, making it a potent weapon in the fight against climate change. This form of hydrogen represents one of the cleanest energy sources known to science, researchers said, emphasizing that its discovery could launch a new era of energy independence free from the environmental cost of fossil fuels. The gas does not pool in vast underground lakes like oil or natural gas. Instead, it forms slowly over millennia through chemical reactions between certain rock types and water. Scientists have already mapped hydrogen seeps in Canada's ancient geological region known as the Canadian Shield, a sprawling formation of some of the oldest rocks on Earth. These seeps, where hydrogen subtly leaks from subterranean layers, offer tantalizing clues that such reserves may be far more widespread than previously imagined. There is growing optimism that similar geological processes could be occurring globally, from Africa to Australia, silently generating this pristine fuel source beneath our feet. However, accessing this buried treasure won't be as simple as tapping into an oil well. Traditional fossil fuel extraction methods fall short. Instead, the next step involves pioneering new technologies capable of mapping, tracking, and gently harvesting hydrogen from its subterranean pockets in a manner akin to helium extraction. To this end, scientists are now developing precision instruments and geophysical models to identify where hydrogen forms, how it flows through rock strata, and crucially, where it gathers in extractable quantities. In a surprising twist, researchers have encountered a tiny but formidable adversary: hydrogen-consuming bacteria. These subterranean microbes feed on the gas, potentially depleting reserves before they can be harnessed. Locating pockets of hydrogen where such bacteria are absent or minimal is now a critical piece of the puzzle. Swipe left for next video. In a move that signals the transition from lab discovery to real-world application, the research team has launched a company, Snowfox Discovery Ltd., tasked with commercializing this energy resource. Using satellite imaging and geological surveys, the company aims to identify promising hydrogenric sites for future extraction. As nations scramble to meet net zero emissions targets and reduce reliance on volatile fossil fuel markets, the implications of natural hydrogen could be profound. With global hydrogen demand projected to increase six-fold by 2050, this underground bounty could offer not just a clean energy solution, but a sustainable one. Latest blogs.